I built I built the Uber caterkiller from Sonic Mania, and not just the Knuckles version. Hold up, right? I need to unanchor this thing. Yeah, I also added some servos. So it's basically more of a caterkiller. I'm surprised this thing actually works. On to the Sonic variation. I counted how tall it is, and it's actually 9 tails tall. Get it? Tails tall. Imagine Mechasonic driving this thing, like actually. I mean, I am Mechasonic driving a goddamn. With a suit driving a goddamn Uber cat or killer. I wonder how other people react to seeing Sonic.